For this bent over straight arm pull down, we will be using a rope attachment today. The reason we are in our hip hinge here and the reason we're using the rope are both the same, and that is to get an extended range of motion. In this movement, we are targeting the lats head on. You may experience a little bit of triceps, but just work very hard to keep those arms as straight as possible and to initiate the pull from your lats. Now, in order to maintain this position, those glutes are definitely involved. Your core is 100% braced, 360-degree brace we're talking about here, maintaining that neutral spine. Once you're in this position, grab onto the attachment above your head so that your arms are in line with your head. And from there, squeeze those lats, pulling them down, and let your lats pull your arms down and to your sides. Your hands should end right by your hips. Control the pull of the cable as you lift your arms back. Do not just let them fly up, but let them, you control them up, and repeat the movement.